Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Doctor. Today, I'll show you how to turn on private DNS on your Android. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're in Settings, tap on Network and Connections or More Connectivity Options. The name differs according to your devices. You'll see Private DNS just below the airplane mode. Simply tap on it. This will open the Private DNS page. Now, by default, the private DNS will be set to off. You can either set it to automatic or manually add DNS configuration. For that, select Private DNS Provider Hostname option. Once you select that, you can add a custom DNS server. Tap Custom Name and enter your preferred DNS address, like Google's DNS, dns.google.com. After entering the DNS server, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Your Android will now use the private DNS you just configured for better privacy and security. And that's how you set up private DNS on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Doctor for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.